All right, next up, some made in New York City factory footage. So I've walked by this, and so did Dano, who leads up our manufacturing. I don't want to tempt 2020.
It's already been pretty bad.
Yeah, like it keeps delivering the hits. But we're New Yorkers, so some of the paste up art is like, nice try 2020. We're still standing. So yeah, that's.
This is a little bit of the problem with being a New Yorker is like we like to be a little snarky.
We're just very, very determined.
Yeah. It's snarky.
Here's some playing around with PCBs.
There's some Clue PCBs.
Yeah.
It's fun to do that. It's a tester.
And with our tester that you saw before, that's from one of the electronic things that we're working on.
I think they were debugging why it was broken. Like, oh, this chip is way too hot.
Why is it hot?
Oh, this is the LED light for our pick and place camera.
Yep.
And I think this is them fixing it.
Yeah.
This is our STM32 F405 tester. We have a video for every tester, so folks, even because we have split hours now, people are coming in at different times, split shifts. So we always have a video so everyone can see. Here's what it should look like when you're testing this board. This is a laser cut stencil. This is some sped up pick and place.
And it wouldn't be Adafruit factory footage without some construction across the street.
Yeah, that's not stopping.
Yeah.